Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing else? How's everybody doing out there is what I was trying to say. Lock of War, Owen, the Someone, ThinkBot Labs. Hello everybody. ThinkBot, thank you for that delicious bit. How are you doing out there, everybody? Andy, what is up? Andy, I'm glad you're streaming, my friend. Red Saint, hello. Andy, that is awesome. I hope you enjoy your stream, my friend. Obviously, I won't be able to catch it as I am here. Let me just switch this over to Kaboom. Hello, everybody. Hello. Turn on this light. Hello again. Look at the brightness of the lightness. So today, we're going to work on making a interactive game for everybody to play. while we're streaming. So we'll be doing things like taking chat commands and stuff is the idea of where we'll get to, but I've never done any of this Twitch integration stuff before, so it's going to be fun. Andy, you gotta go and come back later if you can. Sweet. Well, if you can't, enjoy the wedding, my friend. Woo. Unity, yay, indeed. You're making something right now from scratch, someone? Sweet. Sweet, even. Sweet. Super Myral, what is up, Supra? How are you today, my friend? Good to have you back. Being cool. Because computer science. At least I'm making a damn game. Exactly. So I'm going to be using TwitchLib, which is a handy integration for doing all the Twitch stuff in Unity. It's like a handy pre-built thing, but I've never done it, so we're going to go through the whole process of setting it up here. So that's going to be fun. So I've downloaded it. Basically, that's basically the only step I've made towards this. I've also worked on a couple of days of what we're going to do. Someone, have you heard of Game Dev Underground? That kind of sounds familiar. Hold on, let me just... Game Dev Underground? Well, that's not how you spell that word, but anyway. Game Dev Underground. Community and toolset. Level up independent games. No, I don't think I did actually see this. No. Is that like Game Dev Fight Club? Woo! Zeok, what is up, Zeok? Oh, also, did I say hello to you, Ovidium Metallica? I didn't mean to say hello. So, the game that I have in mind is kind of inspired by both the Bitboss kind of thing and stream avatars. So, if you see, like if anyone watches, like, Lumpy's stream, you see these, like, little guys running around the bottom of the stream. So I want to have that and make them like somewhat customizable by people or whatever, but also have like one person who's like the main guy, who's like the bit boss of the stream. And whenever you like donate or whenever people like donate or subscribe or whatever, they attack the like champion guy. So I was like, I think that idea would sound kind of fun. And I was like, what could I do? What way could I do that? And I thought, let's do like a kind of wrestling kind of thing, because I'm into my wrestling. So I figured what we'll do, we'll have like a little ring on the bottom of the screen, and you'll have these little dudes walking around, and you'll be able to customize them with different commands and stuff like that to a certain extent. And then probably I'll have like certain customizable items you can only access if you're a subscriber or something like that. So we're gonna make the guy at like various different parts like this. Originally, when I was first taking a look at it, I was like, let's make characters kind of like these guys, but that's too complicated. So I don't really want to. They're too fancy looking. I don't really want to do that. I want to keep it a bit more simplistic and kind of cartoony. So we're gonna stick with these guys. So what we're gonna start out doing, we're gonna set up the TwitchLib thing in Unity, and then we're gonna set up the basics of how these guys move around. Do you make a game like Euro Truck Simulator? Nope, I'm afraid not, Ovidium. That's definitely not what we're doing here anyway. And I've never tried to make a game like them. I've never made a driving type of game at all, really. Well, no, that's not true. I did a prototype for a top-down driving game on stream before, but not anything 3D. Okay, so I've got these little images, and I'm gonna bring them into my project. But before we do that, I was doing a test of just how they all fit together there. I'm going to close out of Photoshop because I don't actually need that open. Let's step through the process of actually bringing this into Unity. So I've done this step. I've done step 1. Step 2, example using Visual Studio. Open TwitchLib solution in Visual Studio. There's these handy GIFs done by the extremely awesome Game Dev Company, who's an awesome guy in general. Can I zoom these out? There we go. So we got our TwitchLib here. Let's open twitchlib.solution in Visual Studio 2017. Driving game for Lubin there. Hype! It would be fun, wouldn't it? What's the crazy game idea you ever came up with? Ryuk. I don't know. I come up with some random ideas. I have like a list of like ideas on my computer. Let me see what's in that folder. Is there anything particularly crazy? What? Didn't mean to do that. No, that one's not that crazy anyway. No, all the ideas I have aren't. Extreme mini golf? What was that? No, that wasn't any good either. No, all the things on my list are games that are not too crazy. Weird ideas, I don't really remember them. I have a YouTube channel called OVCode. You could help me with the promotion if you want. That's okay, Ovidium. We're not here for promotion in general, my friend. You can't really watch. Oh no, Lucky Feathers! That sounds horrible. Why can't you really watch, my friend? How weird it is for some game that I'll never program. Oh yeah, Supra. Feels bad indeed, indeed. I'm just going to close out of Portal Knots here. Do you think it's okay to watch a game programming stream at a party? I don't see why not, Lucky. It's the best thing you could possibly do. A good mini golf game could get you semi-YouTube famous. You could get the Sidemen to play it because they love mini golf games. Oh really? I don't know who the Sidemen are. I've never come across them. Is that who we're talking about here? Sidemen. Official channel of Sidemen. No idea. Start playing with Unity again since I don't have a game in mind to make. I'm working on small games right now. 1 or 2 scenes of different types of platform or top down. That's a good idea, Ziok. That sounds like a really good way to approach these things. Petit Pois, I missed the beginning. What game are you making? We're making a little kind of, basically like a battle kind of interactive game is the idea. But we're only literally just starting it. So let's continue setting up TwitchLib here. So set to release mode. I should just open all these GIFs to the side. So when we say set to release mode, debug, release. I can do that. That's not that hard. Debug, release. Magical. Boom. Build a TwitchLib solution. Build. Why am I getting all these errors? Build fails. Well, we're off to a great start. Namespace Newtonsoft? What is going on here? Okay, hold on. Let's close out of this. Off to a great start. Like, okay, I'll just literally go back to the very first step. Clone or download. There we go. Do that. Fine, let's just do it the exact same way. I did like download the project, but just so I'm not doing anything too crazy, let's do it the exact same way as they have it here. We'll put it into source tree. So copy this. Let's go to source tree. Mega Man playlist indeed. Super, you like Minigolf IRL? I mean, Minigolf IRL is just a bunch of fun. So many ideas for games, but lack of time, energy, or tons/knowledge to get them anywhere. Yeah, the time is the main problem. Lacking talent / knowledge, that's only just a matter of practice. That just comes over time. You know what I mean? Resident, you just started with Unity again as well? Getting some weird artifacts on my sprites when I'm turning my camera around. Oh no! Just about every single game I play, I get ideas for how I'd have made the game, things I change. Yeah, that's always the way, though, Locke. That's a good thing, though. And you should take those things and go, hey, maybe I could do something with this. Let me just see where I'm going to put this. Zeok, do you have any release games? Only Ludum Dare games that you can play at the moment, Zeok. If you go to games+james.com/games, you should be able to check them out there. Knowledge comes over time, but I don't have the time to begin with. That is one of the problems too. Great as an ideas machine. Ideas are everywhere though, Locke. That's the thing. It's all about the execution. It's all about that execution. Andy, so my stream reached 3 hours and had nothing to do. I tried playing Nightfall, but the game was freezing, so I just stopped the stream. Oh, really, Andy? But as a first stream, that's how you start these things, my friend. And you just got to keep going. And keep going. Hey, this is all fun. So, clone the source tree. Does it need to be called source? I don't know if that's a specific thing that needs to happen, like. TwitchLib. Let's call it source. Let's clone that bad boy. Execution is the key, but execution of basic ideas is also blah. Hey, Steel Dev, what is up, Steel? Brainstorm ideas? No, we're just kind of going through the process of setting this stuff up. Look at all these versions. Look at all these versions. This has had a lot of work done as TwitchLib. Luckily, I will not be doing anything. I won't be uploading any changes to it. You're addicted to RimWorld again. Oh no. I learn as much from you as I'm still a computer science student and probably a lot of programming language experience. Vidium, yeah, it's all about just keeping your eyes open and learning as much as you can from the things you watch. 2D is much better in Unity now. It sure is, Zeok. It's much better. One-way platforms and stuff like that using platform effectors is really, really handy. So let's try going through this step again. Open TwitchLib. TwitchLib source. Like, I'm not going crazy here. It was twitchlib.sln. That's what we want, right? Yeah. Open. Soloni, I should set something in the Discord server. But that's how it starts, Andy. When you start streaming, it's hard to get people coming in straight away, but keep at it and more people will join. But yeah, you should totally share on the Discord when you're live. Pink chocolate. Getting you internet on Fridays, Steel? Sweet. What are Japanese candies? Supra. So we go to debug and then we go to release. So debug, release. Where are all these things? And then we go over to build. And then it'll build, right? It's going to work first time this time. TwitchLib. Build. Oh no. Do do. Do do do. Using newtonsoft.json.link. Maybe I just don't have this. That's probably my problem. Do 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 do. What is this software? The black one? That's Visual Studio Supra. So prerequisites. We also need this JSON library. Cannot find Newton soft.json. Maybe it's in here? What up, Crass? How's it going, my friendo? How are you doing? Steel Dev, smart man with the shout out. Annie, you might go again tomorrow? I would recommend it, dude. I would recommend it. Packages.config. Yeah, this is definitely what I wanted to open. Dreamweaver. Right. You push the lock and key bug fix, it works beautifully. Sweet, Crass. Let's download that. I'll check that out later. Dreamweaver still is the thing still? I don't think it is Zeok, to be honest. It's just still on my computer. Oh, Steely, are you giving me some good advice here? If I... In the project, if you right-click references... Where am I looking? In the Solution Explorer. As in over here? Boop. References, there we go. And what did you say? Manage NuGet packages? Purus India, what is up? How are you doing, my friend? Type NuGet in the quick launch in the top right. Uh-oh. Where am I looking for that? I'm so terrible with Visual Studio. Steal with the help. References. Yeah, that's not there. See what I mean? If I click that there. Boo boo boo. Oh, this thing? No, wait. Oh, quick launch up here. Yeah, sorry. What am I doing? Nougat. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Thank you, Systematic. You, my friend, are a star. How's the rest of your day been, Crass? Apart from entertaining little baby Crass. Okay, close out of this before we do that. Do 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 do. What does Nougat do? I think it's like Nougat is this software that is like the TwitchLib is trying to use, basically, as far as I can tell. So let's wait for that to download. While we twiddle our thumbs here. Just got in from pulling weeds, sweet. I'm like the last person to be sensible about this stuff. Import and manage packages for your project. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Let's try this again. Open. And yeah, but I'm not working in TwitchLib. This needs to be updated. I'm not working in Unity yet, Crass. I'm working just in Visual Studio, just while I set up this stuff. Okay, installing. Finished. Okay. Now, can we build? There we go! Build complete! We have done 3/4 of step 2 of this process. Oh god. Confirm that you now have these DLL files. Let's confirm, shall we? Oh balls, I don't know where they should be. They should be here. Source, TwitchLib, bin, release. Okay. We've got newtonsoft.json.dll, twitchlib.dll, and WebSocket Sharp. Yay! We got them. Okay, now we can go ahead and actually open Unity. Twitch Brawl Stars. That's what I've decided I'm going to call this little thingy. 2D. Where am I going to put it? Create. I wish I understood what you were doing. Don't worry too much about it, Ryuk. We're only in the setup phase at the moment, to be honest. There's not a lot crazy too much happening. But look, hey, we're in Unity, so this means we're going to start doing stuff in a minute. And I played Nightfall at the end of the stream. What is this interactive game going to be? It's going to be kind of like a little bit like BitBoss and a little bit like Stream Avatars, but I wanted to have something where like you'd have these little dudes running around, and then you'd have one person who's like effectively the bit boss or whatever, the stream boss. And these little dudes running around, whenever someone like donates or follows or anything like that, instead of just like doing a little damage to the health bar, their little character runs over and does like a little bit of damage to whoever's the stream boss. And then if you do all the damage to them, then then you become the new stream boss or whatever like that. So I wanted to have a visual thing like that. So what I'm going to have is like little dudes running around. They're going to be doing like little kind of wrestling moves to each other and stuff like that. And like there'll be a different character for everybody. Everybody who talks in chat will get like a unique character or whatever. They'll be randomly generated. And then you'll be able to make changes to them. So kind of like you can do in stream avatars. And then you can do like flips and stuff. I don't know. It's going to be fun though. It's going to be fun. The idea I have works. It'll be fun. So that's why I need to work out how to do like all this Twitch integration stuff to do all that. So we got a new project. We need to do that API level thing. So whoop, no, that's the wrong thing. File, build settings, player settings. Oh, I feel like I went to the wrong place there altogether. Edit project settings player. That's what I'm supposed to do. Edit project settings player. Yeah, that is them. Anyways, guessing the boss is going to be a bit bigger than the normal characters, so you can clearly see who's the boss. No, the thing that will clearly see who's the boss. I'll show you. I drew some like basic character pieces that we're going to use. So this is, we're going to set it up like a little wrestling ring with all the characters in it. And this is going to be the basic character just while we're testing. But I want to make it a bit more. We might do like video game characters and stuff like that, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, whoever is the boss will be the champion. And they get this little championship belt. That'll be all shiny. I'll probably make it a bit more obvious than this. That'll be fun. Hopefully ropes to bounce off and things to jump off. Yeah, you can jump off the corners of the ropes on people. I was thinking of doing like, every now and again we'll do like a... So currently we have in chat that you can earn rings and stuff like that, and you can like... you can do like the brawl and stuff like that. So what I'm going to do, hopefully, is have like every now and again we can do a rumble, and everybody kind of gets in the ring and like throws everybody around, and whoever's the last character in the ring gets something. I don't know what. Characters from Portalnauts, woo! You're not going to have a big ass sign pointing and saying the champ is here. I was thinking, right? So whoever's staying as the stream, whoever is the stream champion, whenever they come into chat, we'll pop a little message on the screen saying the champ is here or something like that. Can we use bits to throw chairs in the ring? Yeah, see, stuff like that is a good idea. Use bits to throw items in the ring. So these are all just different ideas I have. That would be kind of fun. The champ user is here. Rip him up. Yeah, exactly. And maybe we'll... Why isn't there like a link to just like the 25 seconds of... something like this? Good old John Cena. Okay, let's go back to what we're actually doing here. So we need to go scroll into API compatibility and select .NET 4.6. Where is... it should be in other settings, shouldn't it? Unless I'm crazy. There we go. do 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 do. Yeah, experimental. Yeah, that's the right thing. Okay, so we'll need to restart Unity then. Experimental, restart. Restart hype. Next update just got released. Keys work perfectly now. Woo! Sound system isn't in yet. Oh no! Oh, for the negative review thing. Ah, yeah, but that'll come over time, though. You know, the saves will be going eventually. Really want your game crash? Steal? I mean, the best way to do it, my friend, is just jump on in there and buy it. You know. Okay, let's continue on through this list. Once we get all this stuff set up, then we can go and do some like basic mechanic things, and then I'll start actually doing the thing of adding integration into it. But I want to get the mechanics going first. You know what I mean? Import the TwitchLib DLLs. I think it's just the 3 DLLs we just talked about a minute ago. Plugins, blah blah blah. With a layaway. Yeah, so it is those 3. That's fine. So let's just create those folders. Create folder. Plugins. Create folder. TwitchLib. And then pop the 3 of these bad boys in. Booloop. Create a Twitch account for your bot. We already have a Twitch account for our bot. We have FriendoBot. Okay, so I need to set these things up without anybody seeing, so we'll need a new incognito window. I know this doesn't mean that the stream can't see, but what if I put it over here? Haha! Secrets. Now I need to remember the password for FriendoBot. I've actually been thinking about getting a boss. A job. You should steal. And you can spend all your money subscribing to Games channels. 20 cents will get you the title screen. No, the title screen is worth at least $1. FriendoBot. Oh! Haha, excellent. I already saved the password. I'm a smart man. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to follow this little thing here. Show controls. Loop. So we go there. Go to settings. D. So FriendoBot is going to be part of the stream game? Yep. As you make the brawl visible. Woo! Exactly. Exactly, Steel. Why isn't it... Show the controls permanently, goddammit. Connections. And register your application. Okay, oh, no. Pause. There we go. Connections. You gotta go, Andy. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, my friend. Have a good time. Badger Hobbs. What are you making? We're making a game for the stream. It'll all become more obvious as we go. Wait, what am I doing? Oh wait, this is moves. Of course it's moved. Do, 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 do. Javasaurus. A stream game? What up, Java? Register an app. Register. Okay, name. Do. Java, all's going well building my tutorial photon game. Sweet. And deciding to split into parts, or maybe do one giant stream. Giganto stream. Awesome, that sounds good, Java. Having a chat box working is always good. Why does the show controls thing go away every single time? God damn. HTTP local host. This is going to be a chatbot. What else do we have? I would like to work with extensions at some point. It'd be good if we could have like an extension on the screen for doing like the interactions with the dudes and whatnot. Okay, so we hit register. If it will actually do stuff for me over here. So where are we? Then we need to create a new client secret. Lilybite, what is up, Lily? Just gonna copy some of these numbers over here. I reckon I'm not supposed to show these numbers, so client secret. If you just want to detect collisions at the bottom of something, do you just look at the collision data and respond appropriately? There's no magic, only detect collisions on bottom side right. Yeah, no, there isn't, Ziok. Unless you do like raycasts, basically. If you were doing raycasts to check shooting if you're doing raycasts to do your detection, then that might work. But otherwise, yeah, no, not at all. Lily, you have a potential decision to make, so you're stewing. Woo! Anything you can share, Lily? Anything you want some help with your decision making? Okay, we got our secret. We have that copied to a notepad for later. Create a new OAuth token. Okay, wait. Add an effector, Ziok. They added effector components to Collider. Oh yeah, it depends what you're trying to do actually, Ziok. Like Systematic saying, platform effector could be useful if you're looking to do like one-way things. I'm here to get... Oh. Imager. Do 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 do. Bim 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 bim. Lee, I have a chance to pitch a couple small casual games to an entertainment group. They have a direct audience. I just have to present a couple one-level concept games. Oh, sweet. But I don't want to take time away from my own project. Well, how long would that take, Lily? Do you know what I mean? If the potential of it is like, could pay off very, very well, like, why not spend a little bit of time putting that together? That's how I'd look at it. Well, obviously it's totally your call. Ender, making good progress on my game. I have scripts for killing the player, respawning at checkpoints, activate new checkpoints, death and respawn particles. You're on a roll indeed, Ender. Sounds like it. Don't know when they added it, but they save a lot of time. Yeah, platform effectors are pretty awesome. TwitchLib bleh. Well, see, Java, I want to learn this stuff as well. You know what I mean? The best example I give for platform effectors is when you try to jump through a platform to the bottom and go through it, but then land on top of it. Yeah, one-way platforms using platform effectors is super duper handy. Clonesy. What is up, Clones? How are you getting on, my friend? How is the world of stream avatars going? You're saying Streamlo is easier than TwitchLib? I mean, probably. It's been amazingly optimized by some amazing creator, Java, you know? It's going good, Clones? Sweet. Do 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 do. Kittyobot. Anyway, yeah. Generate. Do 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 do. Nair Latonic. I threw some components together for friends to test what I have so far. Found bugs and needs before it even left my computer. Woo! It's always good to find bugs nice and early. Yeah, go for it, Ender. Go for it. Post it in Discord and let me know, and I'll pop it on the stream. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah, create the OAuth token, set up Unity integration. Unity integration. Gather relevant data, try to make connection, attempt to run code. Woo! Do 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 do. Create a TwitchLib test script. I can do that. I should close out of this. I don't need that. Do 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 do. TwitchLib test. Nope, not text. God damn it. I do one thing and it's already the wrong thing. Create C# script TwitchLib test this time. Silent Ninja diving on in there. Did the event box pop up properly? I don't see it. I don't see a notification on my screen for some reason. Oh, and I closed the one over here. Oh no! Hold on a minute. Streamlabs. God damn it. But Silent Ninja's here. Silent Ninja, thank you for the resub, my friend. You are awesome. Steel Dev with them great jobs. Let's get some more great jobs and some hype in chat for the amazing Silent Ninja, who's obviously a pretty darn awesome person, sliding on in there with the epic resub. Much appreciated. Yeah, exactly, Ninja. Give yourself some great jobs for how awesome you are, my friend. It's super duper appreciated. You gotta remake all your stuff. Oh no, clones. That's incredibly annoying with the new API stuff. Is that enough great jobs? No, never enough great jobs. Great jobs forever. 1,000 years of great jobs. 1,000,000 years of great jobs. Where is my alert box? There it is. Needs more subs so we can spam more great jobs. Exactly. Come on, everybody, hit them subs. It's half price, September month, so you know, get on in there for only half price. Join the Epic Sub Club and get your name included in the credits of Portalnauts, and get access to the secret sub chat on Discord, and get the knowledge that you're helping make the stream super duper awesome because of awesome people hanging out and being cool. Okay, I got the alert box working over here in the corner now, which wasn't for some reason earlier on, but that's okay. Event box isn't working either. Hold on a minute. If I turn it off and back on again. There we go, that's up in the corner. Oh, maybe it just didn't. Properties, shutdown, source when not visible. I'm just going to do a little test just to make sure it's working now. Test subscription. Magical. Let's just pretend that was Silent Ninja. Awesomes. Awesomes. Feel like taking pieces would be hard. J2K, what is up, J2K? You are awesome. It's been a great job since I'm subbed on Twitch and your Discord server is connected to Twitch. I can use great job anywhere on Discord. So you can spam them great jobs in your own Discord server. Sweet, Steel. Sweet. Okay, back to doing what we're doing here. Gather relevant data. Uh-oh. Okay, wait. Oh, there's no controls for this one at all. I mean, I wish this text was like available somewhere for me to just copy it. Do you know what I mean? That would be a lot handier. But let's try and get this written. I'm gonna write it on this stream over here to the side so that I can actually see what's going on over here. In start, so what is it? String user name equals friendobot string client client ID equals nothing string something. This time we have got that sub from the extremely awesome Lock of War. Lock of War, thank you for that sub, my friend. You are awesome. Let's get some more great jobs in chat. Let's get that hype train super rolling. The sub train is pulling into the station, courtesy of everybody being awesome. Let's trust them. Great jobs. Great jobs. Great jobs all round. Let's get some hype. Whoop, no, that's not how you spell the word hype. Hype, hype, hype. Lock of War, you are awesome, my friend. That sub is super appreciated. Thank you for joining the sub club. As I said, you are now, if you're on Discord and you have Twitch connected to your Discord account, you will be automatically added to the super secret sub-only chat on Discord. You are awesome, my friend. And you will be added into the list of super awesome supporters included in the credits of Portalnauts for being a cool, all-around awesome person. Thumbs up, Locke. Thumbs up. Okay, string. Access token equals nothing as well. Channel to join. Okay, I can handle that too. String. Channel to join equals Games plus James. Even though FriendAbot is already in here. Do 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 do. Steel, didn't mean to do that many. Didn't mean to do that many what? J2K, I did say hello to you, J2, didn't I? What kind of game are you making? Like, what's the plan? We're making a game where you'll have little characters running around, inspired by certain other people's amazing things, but they'll be able to like fight each other and stuff is the idea, and kind of like a little bit like Bit Boss, in terms of we'll have someone who is like the leader. He's the champion who you have to fight and take on. But mostly I want to do it to kind of test out all this stuff and see how it goes and have a little bit of fun on the channel. So what else is going on here then? Client secret goes in client ID. And then the OAuth token, yeah. So client secret goes in there, and then OAuth token goes in there. I'm gonna make double check I'm not activated on this before I do something silly. Great job. Systematic85, thank you for the follow, my friend, and thank you for the assistance already here on the old streamaroo. You are awesome, my friendo. You are awesome. Posted your progress in the games in Discord. Cool, I'll take a look at that in a second, Ender. Try to make connection. Using TwitchLib. Events.client. Models.client. I can't pause this GIF, like. This would be really handy if I could like be able to access this text. These GIFs are like super duper helpful, but if only I could like access this code. You know what I mean? Or if I could just pause this fucking GIF. Clones, you want to create the next PUBG? I mean, don't we all? This is what you did by accident, Steel? I was copying and pasting the emoji and didn't notice how many you have on copy. that was a little bit too many. Oh, did you delete that then? Straight away, Steel? That's probably why I didn't see it. That's funny. Here's Ender's game on the Discord server. Oh, I just got into the Giphy. That's handy. Whee! Was it the... So you've got a box of particles, Ender. I would definitely change that to like a circle in the emission shape. And there's a lot of particles. There's too many particles, I will say. So like reduce the number of particles that are being instantiated. But that's looking pretty cool though. I like his little legs popping out when he jumps. Boop. And if anyone wants to share progress on their own stuff, make sure you join the Discord server. Boom. You're doing a great job, God. Indeed, Steel. Indeed. Yeah, that didn't send. Too many great jobs. Next PUBG is GTA 5 though. They just recently released the PUBG mode. Isn't that not very good though, Locke? Who did an what's the game? Fortnite, I think, did an actual PUBG mode. I don't want to create the next PUBG. My game aims are different. Nihiltonic. You mean you don't want to have the most played game in the world? When you say the next PUBG, that doesn't mean like, hey, I want to make the next anything. But I know what you mean, Nair. I'm only messing. The box particles represent the player dissolving and floating away. I should probably lower the particle count. Yeah. I guess I get what you mean about the box, but yeah, definitely less particles. It's not that bad. Kind of don't like it. I haven't played it, so I don't really have an opinion. You find PUBG boring, so I can't say I don't watch any PUBG. Yeah, I don't really watch too many people playing it, but playing it yourself is real good. It's a real good game. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. This is annoying me though. This GIF. Boop boo. Can I can't even control it here. Bah. Most played would be nice, but I'm not a first-person shooter dev. Oh yeah, of course not, liar. Of course not. The next Battlegrounds won't be a first-person shooter game. Do you know what I mean? Like the last big sensational game was Dota 2. You know, that's the last game that was the most played, and that's obviously not a first-person shooter. It is a wonderful, wonderful MOBA, though. Everybody likes MOBA, right? Right, guys? Yay for MOBA! Using TwitchLib. I know you can't see what I'm typing, but that's because I don't want to give away my secret keys. Using twitchlib.events.client. Using twitchlib.models.client. Okay, then connection credentials equals new connection credentials. Kisha or 54321 54321 countdown to awesomeness because you hit that follow button. Welcome to the stream, my friend. Good to have you here, hanging out and being cool. It's good to have you being awesome. Can I open this in Photoshop? I never remember if you can access animated GIFs in Photoshop or not. Dee 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 dee. We're still setting things up, Supra. We're still integrating TwitchLib and getting the basics of it tested. Turns out I had a 1,000 particles when it should have been around 10. That's a little bit too much, I would say. Photoshop hype. Hello, Kishore. Thanks for joining us, my friend. Thanks for hitting that epic follow. You're in a bit of a pickle. Oh no, Java. Get out of that delicious pickle juice. Dota invented MOBA? Indeed, clones. Indeed. At least Dota 1. And Dota 2 is essentially just Dota 1, really, isn't it? Well, looks like this gift doesn't want to open for me. So, poo-poo to you, my friend. First few parts were pretty much copy-paste photon demos. Alright. Ah! Okay, freaking out. Things are freaking out. I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah. You got an hour to kill. Sweet, Andy. Sweet. Do you want to make a particle and image rather than a preset in Unity? I think it'll make the white particles actual feathers. Yeah, if you go down to the bottom, the renderer section down there, Ender, in the bottom of the particle effects like object, mess around with that. That's your key to it all. Okay, I guess I just got to keep going with this. If I can image, that'll just keep running out on me. So we need username and access token, and now you just gotta wait for the typing to catch back up again. Like, why isn't there controls on this? Giphy controls. Give me that rang. Give me them rangs. Flippo, what is up, Flippo? Nope, that doesn't help me. Brawl. Lock, I want to make a Sonic game with a friend just for nostalgia. An anime team dungeon crawler with inspiration such from Dan Machi. A Castle Crasher like side scroller, hack and slash. A fantasy racing game of F1 speeds. And most recently an anime team cyber or steampunk setting XCOM 2 type game. That's only the first 5 to get into mind. I'm sure there's at least 1 billion in there somewhere. Indeed, Locke. Game ideas, my friend. Twitch API dot settings dot client ID equals client ID. Settings access token is access token. I can handle that. Twitch client equals new Twitch client credentials. Channel to join. And then client.collect. Okay, Twitch client. I've already forgotten. I've immediately forgotten what that was supposed to be. Twitch API dot. Yeah, I'm just terrible. It's hard to keep these things like rolling in your head. Does it not say when you join the brawl? No, it doesn't. But it will when the brawl gets going. Oh, someone was trying to fight me? I didn't see that, sorry. Lock ideas I have plenty of time for. Construction and working is massively... Oh yeah, it isn't. Yeah, I get you, Lock. So too much time to think about games but none to make them. You can keep refining them in your head and then you can put them into use. You gotta find someone you can hire for free, Lock. That'll do all the work. Okay, settings. I knew it was access, damn it. Dot access token equals access token. client.connect. So I'm just missing this bit here. It's hard to follow along with an animated GIF sometimes for writing code. Will this be a new? Oh, I can't remember. Ba-do-do-do-do-do-do. New Twitch client with credentials and channel to join. Okay, finally this fucking GIF is done. Time to run code. I think I know how to do this, but I'm just making sure it's not anything obviously silly. Wait, what did they attach it to? Is it? Yeah, just attach it to the camera. Null refs! Thank you for following, Null. Thumbs up to you, my friend. It is awesome to have you following along and being cool. To the max. To the Mizax. What's the command to give rings? I forgot it. I think it might be just exclamation mark give. What happened with the brawl? Oh, I didn't come out of the brawl okay at all. But Ender did. Just Ender. Well done, Ender. What am I doing? I'm coding, Andy. Coding. Off screen, so there's secret details that you're not allowed to see. So I had to code them off screen. Oh, damn it. Tests. And then add component, TwitchLib test. Steal everyone. Oh no! Yeah, there you go. Exclamation mark give and then to somebody. Did Ender, you have a very basic chicken sim right now? Woo! Java, do you think it'd be enough of a tutorial if my end goal is a scene with a chat box and a ball moving on screen per player? Yeah, I 100% think so, Java. I continue on that to make a brawler game though. Yeah. Exactly, it's showing the basic stuff, like that's what people want, do you know what I mean? If someone's coming looking for that for what you're planning on doing a tutorial on, Java, like someone isn't coming for like the full complete thing straight away, do you know what I mean? They should hopefully be sensible enough to go, okay, we're programming, so you know, you gotta make things happen first. So yeah, we attempt to run code. Will this give us an error like that guy had a second ago? We're running, yes, we do have the error. Oh, we got an error, everybody. Attempt to run code, fix mono TLS exception. Using system.net. Using system.net.security. Oh yeah, that very simple one. And then just copy and paste that whole bit down there. Okay, let's do one thing at a time. Again, I know we can't see, you won't see my script, but it's essentially going to be that thing. So, using system. Let's keep that GIF rolling here. Using system.net. Using system.net.security. Okay, the thing is gone now. It was like using system.security.cryptography.x509 certificates. Woo, that wasn't too bad actually. That was all like automatically filled in for me. Perfect. So then I need to grab this whole bit. Copy you. Paste you in there. And then I presume we need to call that, do we? So we paste it in. And then what's he doing then? Service point manager. Dot certificate equals blah blah blah. Server equals certificate validation monofix. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. What's the first Twitch hook? That'll be to send a message, surely, won't it? Yeah, we'll type that in a sec. Oh no, I didn't mean to close the tab. I'll go back here. So let's just make sure that this runs okay without an error. Do 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 do. Okay, we're getting no errors here now. So that should be telling Friendobot to join the channel, but Friendobot is already here. So what if I do this? We're going to get rid of Friendobot for a minute, everybody. So dashboard, nope. TwitchBot. If I disconnect, does that make it leave? Or am I just disconnected from it? I think I'm just disconnected from it. Okay, nope, that didn't. Disconnect. Okay, so I just can't do that. So the only way to test it, I should have tested it on another bot account really. But the only way to test it will be to send it, make it send a little message. You know, working on 2D games, Kishore. A bunch of people working on 2D games here. You're copying someone's code. Oh, I'm telling. No, I'm not copying someone's code. We're integrating TwitchLib. Oh, stretch. So yeah, add the first Twitch hook. Then what's the test? Okay, that's just telling me that the bot has joined the channel. So client.onJoinChannel plus equals let's get that back up, sorry. Sonic, I've copied some of James' code and then I dragged it to the basement and performed unethical experiments on it. Oh no! Nair, what have you done? What have you done? My poor innocent lines of code. They'll never be the same again. How does this go and start? I guess it would. Client dot on join channel equals or cut down plus equals yeah client on joined channel private void client on joined channel object sender on join channel legs Debug.log. Couldn't even find $1 there for a second. User unjoined channel args. Join the chat. That should be a small O, please. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, so yeah, we didn't get an unjoined chat message because FriendAbot is already in chat, I think. Scroll back up here. Check out your character controller. Sidabs, I'd appreciate if you would ask before you would post the link in chat, my friend. I'm not gonna ban that one or anything like, but just for future. Can anyone find the YouTube videos that apparently exist and I'm going crazy? Oh, you're on Steam Spy, Crass, at last. I was hoping that I was checking this out the other day and I was like, why isn't Nightfall on here? YouTube 10 videos? Huh. Steel Dev, you look for the videos? Go for it, my friend. You'll be making a video on YouTube when you buy the game. Sweet Steel! You're a good man. Yes, yeah, Steam Spy is just estimates. Like, there's nothing accurate about that at all. I think anything... Originally I thought it was 3,000, but I think anything below 30,000 might be, like, wildly inaccurate, basically. On Steam Spy. Your world is shaking because of camera error. Oh no. Maybe there should be a command or something. Oh, you know, but Zydab's the thing is, and this isn't specifically directed at you for that or anything. Like just in general, like if you ask someone if it's okay to post a link, generally speaking, like me or Steel or someone else who's moderating will be like, oh yeah, it's perfectly fine. But it's nice to ask first. And it's the same in all Twitch chats in general. Like, I'm not going to get too grumpy about it or anything, but some Twitch channels, this is more like general Twitch life advice. Some Twitch channels, like if you just come in and post the link, they won't be very impressed. But I mean, like, you're not exactly a random person. I know you've been here a bunch. Okay, so we got that working. Let's just jump into the API and chat. Get chat emoticons. Just trying to remember, how can I just send a quick little line of text? Twitch. Bum. Does anyone remember off the top of their head how to send some text? Nimarquez, or Nimarks even. Do you have any advice for people who want to start making YouTube videos? I'm a programmer myself and I thought I could share the little I know and at the same time learn with the videos that I make, but my English is not that good. Any advice? Honestly, Nimarks, just go for it. The only way you can do it is by doing it, and you'll get better at it as you do more of it. That's my advice, is just do it. Don't wait, just do it. In the words of Shia. Don't let your dreams be dreams, and don't let your dreams be means. Pan Alien Potato, thank you for the follow, my friend. Good to have you here, following along and being awesome and being cool. Users, is it users? Get users, blah 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 blah. Client, no. Public void send test chat. Let's bring this over here so you can see what I'm actually doing, because I'm not hiding the keys right this second. Shay's new movie sold only one ticket. Oh no, Zydabs! But at least he did it. At least he did it. I almost decided against following because Shia LaBeouf. I'll be honest, Pan Alien. It's not like Shia LaBeouf is an idol of mine or anything, but that little video is good. Don't let your memes stay dreams. Indeed. Don't let your memes stay dreams. So I don't know how to do this. So let's say client. Can I not access the client even though it was established up here? And anyway. Client that. What are we going to do here? Send message. Do. Yeah, can we just send this message then? Let's see if we can get FriendoBot to say hello, friendos. Once this is working, then I'll move on to actually doing some visual things here. Look, do you see that in chat, everybody? FriendoBot said hello, friendos. Yay, it worked indeed. FriendoBot is alive. Woo! Okay, so Twitch lib stuff is connected and working. So the next thing to do is make it actually do stuff. Stream Elements allows you to distribute currency to viewers. Oh, Kano, I didn't say hello when you came in, Kano. How are you doing, my friend? What do you mean by stream game? We're going to make a game where we're going to have like a bunch of people running along the bottom of the screen and we can do interactive fun stuff with them, basically. They've become sentient. It wasn't me typing or anything, it's sending the message by the power of Unity. So, I'm happy that works. Ooh, sorry, hit my microphone here. But overall, I'm happy about that. Murder FriendoBot. No! Maybe FriendoBot actually... That's another thing. Have FriendoBot be a referee wandering around on the screen. So, let's create some actual stuff. Create folder art and create folder test. Doodle doo doodle doo doodle doodle doo. Doodle doo 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 doo. How big is this? 64. Ring, top, rope, ring, ring, rope, middle would make more sense, ring, rope, top. Let's chop up this sprite sheet into tiny little bits. Ring, rope, bottom, bottom. What is stream game? Kishore. Stream game will be a game that like people on the stream can interact with. Ender, you're not doing well there at all. You need to do exclamation mark fight and then Zydabs. Ring, post, left. Ring, post, right. And then mat, center. Mat, left. Mat, right. Okay, let's play that. Drag that in here. Let's pop one of these posts down here. So Abs, you gotta go. Well, thanks for stopping by, my friendo. He's going to learn too much. I hope with the string game that I can make my character wear pink. Of course, Locke. There will ideally be a bunch of different things that we can color people into. Oops. Put these down here. What's the story of the game? There is no story. It's just an interactive stream thing. It's okay. We don't need a story for the game. Do you know what I mean? It's not something that requires a story. Let's just keep these balanced, so then I can just stretch this guy out on his axis. Do 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 do. Mat left, mat right. Both of these as a child of the ring. I am a child of the ring. do do. Damn cooldown indeed. It's okay, Ender. We can get around that cooldown by doing this. Haha! I got one ring. Cool, you're taking time to understand what you're doing, James. Of course, Kishore. That's what we're here for. Do 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 do. I know Kano stole money from Ender too. Supra, no! No, Supra, my sweet rangs! I'm gonna be so low on rings now. Look, I'm running out of rings. I'm so low on rings. I can't believe you would do such a thing to me. do do do. Yeah, they're too long. Center, scale, pull you down to like that-ish. That'll do. Okay, so there's the start of a ring. Let's give these... let's set up the sprite layers for these and stuff. So these guys should all... need some new sorting layers, actually. Sorting layer. Add a new one for the ring. And then another one for brawlers. Nice and simple. Brawlers. No, not brawlers. This is the ring. Then let's add some ropes. Top, middle, and bottom. Create empty. Oh wait, no. I'll do that in a second. Let's sort out this guy first. You are top. You are middle, and you are bottom. Nope, that's not going to work for me. I got hiccups. Oh, I don't even have this saved. Ooh. Assets. Scenes. Main. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So anyone got any cool plans for this weekend? I forgot to say, I was about to say earlier on as well, I'm streaming today because I won't get a chance to stream on Monday because I'm doing some other stuff that'll take me away. But I will be back then, most likely, on Wednesday with more streamy goodness. Oops. Do 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 dun 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 dun. Nope, not that. Export. Save that. Show you. Copy and paste. Place. Okay, just so these ropes can overlap each other. Okay. These guys should all be on the ring layer at -1. Are you preparing sprites on your own? I sure am, Kishore. Create empty. Top rope. Tope suicida. Y should be... No, Y is right. X is wrong. X is 0. This guy, yeah, he's at Y. Then I can duplicate you. Actually, I'm going to rename you to rope. I'm going to delete these. Control and D. Just drag this all the way across then. Just zoom out so we can do it regularly. Control and D. Come on, move. It's annoying when it won't move when you want it to. I'll probably build a sprite of this to be actually longer. But for now, these little clones will do. Okay, there we go. We're making a ring, and the currency of the streams are rings. Ah! You got lost in your scene mode? Oh, really, Ender? What was the problem? Couldn't you put the sprite in there on tiled mode and just drag the sprite to the other side? I mean, yeah, Steel, if you want to be like sensible about it, like, but I'd need to set up the sprite to do that. I probably will do that, to be honest. But we're just kind of doing this test version for now. Do 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 do. Bottom rope. Point 3, 1, 2, a loop. I moved all these. What am I doing? Steel Dev, losing them rings, my friend. Do. Okay, so we got our little ring down there. Now let's go ahead and add little dude to walk around. Yeah, that'll do. Do 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 do. Do Twitch Broadstars is going to be chat controlled like that one game with the robots. It is going to be chat controlled indeed. Have you thought about speedrunning games, or do you only make them? Yeah, I'm more into making games than speedrunning them. Speedrunning is a whole different skill set. I like watching people. I like watching people. I like watching people stream or speedrun stuff in general, but it's cool. Are those ropes the foreground, or the ropes on the far side of the ring from the wrestlers? They're on the far side of the ring. Or they might be the foreground. In my head, I'm thinking the far side of the ring, but we'll see how they go. I know what you're probably thinking, Locke. We should maybe have some ropes coming this way towards the camera, maybe, or something then as well, but we'll see. Called wrestler Mighty Macho. Now we'll just have a test dude for now. Watching speedruns can give some great insight into designing and programming games. Yeah, reminds you that it's okay to have some buggy code as long as the game's playable. Indeed, just because people have workarounds to get around things doesn't mean the game's broken. But don't use it as an excuse to leave things broken that should be fixed also. That's something else I'd recommend. Multiple 32? We said the other one too, didn't we? 32, yeah. Oh no, stick in there. None. Point filter. Okay. Sprite editor. Let's see if I do the auto slice, will it get everything properly for me? Oh, it did. Sweet. I'm not even bother giving them all pieces different names. I really should, because they're kind of hard to see in this little list here. Okay, let's say body lower. Mr. Frost 557, thank you for the follow, my friend. Good to have you here, hanging out and being cool. Test champ belt arm upper, no, right arm upper, right arm lower, right arm fist, right arm hand, left arm upper. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the basic wrestler is Stone Cold, isn't he? No, he's not. He doesn't have a cool Stone Cold beard. He's just a very basic looking dude. Or maybe Gilberg. Priority of limiting bugs is 1, make the game not work. Oh, makes the game not work, yeah. 2, makes the game not fun. 3, it's fun, so it's not a bug, it's a feature. Exactly. It's not a bug, it's a feature is an important thing to remember. Kishore, I tried to build a Knight's fighting game, but my hero's not responding for animation and codes. Oh no! Kishore. That sounds annoying. Bembo, don't be stealing from me. Lukewarm. You thought Goldberg, Kishore? Does stealing have a cooldown? It sure does. It sure does, Bembo. But you know what doesn't have a cooldown? Delicious. Delicious revenge. Revenge. Oh no! I was busted! Darn it. Gilbert was the WWF ripoff of Goldberg. He sure was. He sure was. Okay, continue. Tests. So this was left arm lower. Left arm fist. Left arm hand. Oops, I didn't double underscore there. Elbow pad. It's happening, James. After months, I came back to first lessons. It's always good to revisit those things, Kishore. It's important. It's important. Even when you're having problems, be willing to go back to learning, my friend. Right leg. Upper. Right leg. Lower. Oh, that's not a right leg. This is the left leg. Upper. Ender, when a problem / bug fixes itself, are you pleasantly surprised, or you'd like to know what went wrong and how to fix it? Yeah, it's good to know what went wrong. Do you know what I mean? So it doesn't happen again. Left leg lower. Right leg foot. Oops. Left leg foot, and then knee pad. Okay, we got all the pieces. Pixel Dude should be his own character, indeed. He's the Brawl Star. Of course, Supra. Of course. That's okay, Steel. This whole little thing we're doing here won't require you to have watched wrestling or anything like that. If I was to donate, would it convert my USD into euros? Yep, it sure will, Benbo. The only one I know is Rey Mysterio. I don't know how it's spelled. It's okay. This is just going to be a fun stream game. It doesn't actually require you to know anything about specific wrestling or anything. Euros, the future. The future. Okay, let's pop this dude into action then. So I'm just going to put all the pieces in, and then we'll worry about like ordering everything afterwards. Do. Oh no, Ender, you shattered everybody's dreams. You had a rebound. Nylotonic, you had a rebound mechanic. So Mango's had a rebound, pull a complete 180. I found out almost completely by accident when making workarounds. Oh, really? That's funny. Well, hopefully you got it solved, my friend. Can't wait to see how the game turns out. Me too, Steel. It's probably not going to be done today or anything. We'll do more streams working on this, but it won't be every stream either. The only wrestler I know is John Cena, and his name is John Cena. As long as it's enjoyable and good entertainment. Yes, indeed. Yeah, exactly. As Locke says, sports entertainment. Do. It's okay though. We're not here to defend whether wrestling is legit or not. I enjoy wrestling, but I don't really care. People get very caught up in arguments about it, and I don't really know why. Right arm fist. So just thinking about this, I've already realized that like the hand things are going to be off if I wanted to change them in animation, so I need to think about that. What are we doing? Foot, and then another knee pad. I think that's all the pieces in place. I think that all makes sense. Macho Pixel. How are you doing in your game? In Portalots Kishore, we're doing very well. It's all coming along very nicely indeed. We're getting places and making things and having fun and games and goodness. John Pixel. Dun 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 dun. Pixel dude. You're very new to me. Oh, really, Kishore? Well, we'll be doing more Portalots streams later this week. Probably Wednesday, we'll have another Portalots stream in action. So let's make this body do stuff. So we'll consider basically that the body here is the center point of the player. So I'm gonna, oop, no, not create an empty. I'm gonna call this player Bambo Jangle. Thank you for that 1 bit, my friend. So he's got his body, then he's got his lower body, then he's got his championship belt, which should be, I think it should be attached to the lower body. Would make the most sense. And then legs. So legs, we have arms. So let's do arms first. Or, well, okay, no, head. Let's just go down through the list of things we have here. So obviously the head should be attached to the body. Make the more sense. Left arm, obviously should be attached to the body there. And then we have the elbow pad. Then the lower arm. Then the fist. Then we have right arm attached to the body, then the elbow pad, then the lower arm, then the fist. Then we have left leg attached to the body, the lower body. Oh, these arms should be attached to the body, not to the lower body. There we go. Then left leg we have attached to the lower body, then the left knee pad, then the left lower leg, then the left foot. Smangold. Happy Saturday indeed, my friend. Smangold with the 2 months in a row of subscribes. Happy Saturdays all around. How are you getting on, my friendo? Can we get some great jobs in chat for Smangold and get some hype for the epicness that is Smangold. How are you doing today, my friendo? Happy Saturdays all round. Woo! And look, Friendabot even did a little post of, hey, you get half-price subscriptions if you've never subscribed before to the channel, so why not take advantage of that if you want to join the sub club and you've never subscribed to Games Plus James before. For only half price, you can subscribe and get in on all the goodness. Ivanall55, what is up, my friend? Does stream game mean game made on stream or game with stream integration? Game with stream integration, my friendo. That's what we're trying to do. We're still in the very early stages of it, though. So we're getting there. We're going to make this cool little dude. Oh no, that's the wrong one. We're going to go knee pad, then lower leg, and then foot. Okay, so this guy is all skeletoned up. We can move him around, and all the pieces move around. So let's move the various body parts into position. I'm halfway around the world. I'm working during the week, so it's hard to catch streams. Indeed, I know it is, Mangold. Unfortunately, I'm not streaming late enough for you these days. You're well. I hope you are well too. I hope you are doing fantastic, Mangold. How is baseball season active at the moment? I feel like I saw you posting something on Twitter the other day. It also applies if you haven't subbed in the last 32 days. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Sprite really reminds me of Mount Your Friends. I can see what you mean. Okay, I need to sort out layering on all of this stuff. So we have, this is a brawler. Group, sorting group. So if I duplicate this guy, yeah, he should appear above him. We'll test that out when we actually do some sorting. So we got body. Body is going to be the center of him, so we're going to put that at 0. So head will be 1. Then the next thing on the list would be lower body will also be 1 because that's never going to pass over the head. And then the champ belt, we'll put that at 2. So the next thing will be our legs. So our right leg should be 3. Then knee pad is 4. Lower leg is 5. No, knee pad should be 5 because it needs to go above the lower leg, which will be 4. And then foot will be 6. It's the last week of the season. I'm a team. Oh no, Smangold, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my friend. That's just all around disappointing. Patrick RMC, what are we making? We're making a stream, a fun interactive stream game, which will hopefully be a bunch of fun. Okay, so that's his right leg. Then next after the right leg will be the right arm. So the foot was the lowest part there, it was at 6. So let's start with the arm. The upper arm at 7. The elbow pad will be 9 because the lower arm will be 8. And then the fist will be 10. So let's pop the arm on here. I might look at using like a bone asset for this stuff because I just realized that all of these parts are completely out of position. We'll continue with the sorting of them, but then I think I need to reorder them or reposition them in a second. Have you been getting on, James? Seen a lot of Portalnauts dev lately, which makes me happy to see. Yes, indeed, my friend. Portalnauts is progressing very well at the moment. We're getting cool stuff done. We've got pretty much 2 levels done in the game. We've got a couple of people asking about Portalnauts at the moment, so let's. I'm going to fire up Portalnauts for a second, just to demonstrate where we are with it at the moment. And then we'll jump back into working on this thing. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Ivan, a friend of mine cleaned really well. Hold on. Cleaned really well a bleach bottle from the convenience store and filled it with cheap vodka. Oh no! He sits on the train on the way to party and people watch him chug from a bleach bottle. That doesn't seem like a good idea, no matter how well you clean it. Oh god. Yeah, I'll pop out to the main menu. We'll leave on this Mega Man music. I won't put on Portnauts music for now. But so we got Portalnauts action. Oh no, let's make a big screen. Portalnauts. Do 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 do. Portalnauts, for anyone who hasn't seen the game in action before, is a 2D side-scrolling action game full of platforming and action goodness. Let's hit new game and start a new game here. Currently, there's like 2 levels. Kind of done. They're getting close to being done. We have a whole bunch of background stuff to do on this level next, is the next plan. It had bleached, the bottle was surely clean. True that, Ivan. So you start off the game playing as this little guy. The whole main thing of Portalnauts is you have a bunch of different characters you can switch to by playing the game. So we start off with this little dude. He can run around. He can shoot like a maniac. We can shoot our little enemies as we go. You still need to make a menu for your game there. Make a menu as soon as you can because it makes the game feel like a real game. Look at that, we got a pause menu and it makes it seem like a real game. So we can run around as this guy, we can shoot things as we go. As we go further in the game, you unlock more characters to use, such as... Oh, I have all the characters locked because I just started the game, I just realized. Let's unlock everybody. So we can demonstrate it. But as you progress in the game, you unlock this guy who can double jump around levels. He can grab onto walls. Basically, we can use him to like traverse around the environment as we want to. And then we continue on through the game and unlock this cool cowboy guy with his little cowboy pistols. He can rapid fire, but just by holding the fire button down. He can also fire a little special blast that when it hits the wall, it fires off 2 extra blasts up and down. Although I'm considering changing that for he throws like a grenade or something like that. A little bit more interesting as we go. But he can shoot. He can shoot and blow things up like that guy there. We also have a punchy guy who can punch his way through enemies and he can punch his way through certain breakable walls. So I can punch this guy. Boo! Explode him like a maniac. We've got Shieldy Lady who can shield against projectiles. She can also glide. Wee, look at me glide. And she can shield against enemies running into you and things like that as well. So we can shoot them in the back. And then finally we have Shrinky Down Lady who can shrink down tiny and small to sneak under enemies like that. Or shrink down and fit into tiny little gaps in the world. Things like that. Let's escape this boulder coming at me. So that's all the characters. We still have some more abilities that we'll add to them over time. But for now, that's kind of their basic goodness. If we pop back out to the level select map, which is obviously, this is not a final level select map or anything, but the idea is you start off in this first area and complete a few levels, and as you progress forward you go to this island here where you unlock the double jump guy, and you can do all his levels in here, and once you get to the end of his area you unlock him to be able to use on the other islands. So if I just unlock the other islands here. Once you unlock him, you can go to the other islands and use the other characters. So each character is on their little island, and if you get to use that character on the island, and when you complete the island, you get to use them everywhere else in the game. And then once you unlock everybody, you go to this little center island where you use all their powers combined to defeat something in the middle there or complete level, and then we go on to the final area and make the final attack on the big bad guy of the game and help save the world. And that's what we do. And let's jump into the... So we've only got 2 levels active in the game at the moment. If I jump into the second level here, Punch Guy needs 1 of 2, 1 hit kill or a bit of knockback to give you a second to move. Well, he doesn't take any damage when he punches an enemy, so... what happened to uploading these updates to the playlist for the Portnox devlog on YouTube channel? Oh, I will be, Ender. We're doing one a month. We did one at the start of September. There will be another update at the start of October. So the punchy guy, he can also pick up objects within the world. It's just this level doesn't have anything for him to pick up. I'll jump into the test level to demonstrate that in a minute. But yeah, because this level isn't set up for him, because in this level you will only have access to this character unless you go back with the other characters. But yeah, so he doesn't have anything active in him. Whoa! Oh jeez, I fell through that. I don't know why that happened. Let's go up here. So there's two different paths we could be taking at the moment. If we went down on the bottom, we could be following a different path. So if we accidentally fall down, oh, there's a whole different little area down here for us to explore around and see how many things we can collect as we go. Indiana Jones, hype! That rolling ball. 9 out of 10 SNES fans will go back in time to play this on console. Indeed! Boo! Boo boo! It is like that, meant to be that kind of era, but then it also has lots of stuff that you couldn't really do on that. On like 16-bit consoles. Whee! Oh, well, good landing there, James. Also, we've got these cool sand sprites that are incredibly dull and incredibly boring at the moment. And we complete the level, and we can run out to sea. And in the next level in the game, you're gonna have a sweet ass hoverboard to fly across the ocean. Won't that be fun? So yeah, I'll jump into the test level just to demonstrate. So in the test level here, we've got a whole bunch of, like, as Patrick and Super say, placeholders. So we can pick that up, we can throw it. Have all these objects to run around with. He needs a new animation for when he's running with an object, because as you can see, at the moment, if I run, it looks like I'm just running in slow motion. He needs like a walking animation for that. But we can punch down walls like that guy. See, we can fit into these little gaps. We can use Shieldy Lady to block bullets coming at us. Punch down more walls. Avoid little traps. So we got a bunch of traps. The mechanics are all worked out for them, but they haven't been actually placed in the levels yet. Whee! Disappearing blocks. Spikes that shoot up into the roof. Bouncy things. Bounce. Bouncy things are just fun to bounce on. Oh, I nearly died there. Whee! These little steam vent things which are... Hey, why isn't that working? I don't know why that's not working. I need to work on that. We got fans to run into. Oh no, it turned off just in time. Whee! And float us up in the air. Cannonballs to ride along on. Whee! Spinny axes, platforms that drop, little rotating gears that you fall down. Although you should be able to jump on it. Huh. I need to take a look at them, because you're supposed to be able to jump on them. They're supposed to reset back up into position. Yeah, look, that one was resetting back up to its proper position. I need to investigate that. Woo! Exploding things. Chasey ball thing, which you've seen in the first level. Sheeps for me to blow up. Little spikes to fall. Expandy platforms. Lots of things to find. But yeah, that's Portalnauts for you. Action, Portalnauts, goodness. I'm just going to take a quick little bathroom break. Don't go anywhere, I'll just be a minute. And we'll go back to working on Brawl Stars. Boom! We're back in action. Puddle has now more balls. Too much chat. Can't handle it all. So this is the thing, like when we get Brawl Stars all running nicely, like there'll be things to do while we're out and about, you know? That was quick. It was only a quick bathroom break. Supra, you're gonna leave. Well, thanks for hanging out, my dude. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being awesome. How long do you plan on streaming? Probably for a while still. I didn't come too late. No, you didn't, Neko. Not at all. There's still plenty I want to get done on this. Okay, so we need to sort out the layer orders for the back stuff now. So we have front legs done, so let's do... right legs, so we did like 3, 5, 4, 6. So then this should be... -1. -3, -2, and -4. Nope, that didn't work. Should be... oh, that should be the first back, shouldn't it? So that should be -4. Then this will be -3. Knee pad is -2, and then foot is... no, foot is -3, and lower leg is -4. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So this is -5, elbow pad is -6, lower arm is -7, and upper arm is -8. I think that all makes sense. Yeah, so we're still behind everything else. There's nothing... yep, okay. Okay, I need to rework out the center points on all these objects here. So the head center point, I guess it makes sense to be just actually at the bottom. Arms should be like up here ish. And then the hands will all be top. It's really hard to work and read chats. How do you manage it? Ah, you just by practice. Purist. You love the weekends, Smangold? Who doesn't, my friendo? Someone just sat in the toilet for like 20 minutes, so it was quick by those standards. The center of them actually kind of makes sense, and title belt in the center makes sense too, and these in the center make sense, don't they? No. This should be like right about there. Title belt is fine the way it is, because it's just going to be strapped to the lower body. Okay. Apply those changes. Now our body gets all wiggled around a little bit, but that's okay. So we got our body, then our head, joins our body like here. We got our lower body. Just going to turn off the belt for a second because we need the body to actually make sense no matter if we have a belt or not. So around about there. Then turn the belt on. She'll put around about there. It's all part of the ring economy. It's a version of John Cena? Oh, never mind, it was. I couldn't see him. Never mind if it was, I couldn't see him. Aha! I get you, Neko, I get you. Reaper! What is up, Reaper? Good to have you here, my friendo. Crash your economy. Inflation, no! Ender, be careful! Be careful what you're doing. That's how disasters happen. So, upper leg, knee pad, lower leg. Just going to turn off the sprite render, so we need to check if the lower leg fits in nicely. Turn it back on. Position the foot there-ish. Okay, let's do the other leg then. Left foot on the same level as the other one, roughly speaking. Okay. Molly. What is up, Molly? How are you getting on, my friend? Your 10,000 rings only buys one loaf of Digibread. Oh no! Hardest Lumpy I've ever messed with you, but I think that's not true, is it? There's only one way to find out, Molly, and hopefully Lumpy will never cross that line. You know? What's that all about? Would there be a way to make Brawl Stars make the people's characters fight when Brawl is active and have a real fight? Yep, that's the idea, Ender. That's hopefully what will be. That's hopefully what will get done. How about using Anima 2D and Dragon Bones for animating the character using Skeleton? Yeah, I might do something like that, Pures, for the actual real characters that we use. Just at the moment, there's no point in like jumping into doing that kind of stuff at this stage. Nope, not that. I feel like maybe his arms are a bit long, but whatever. Actually, no, let's not say whatever. Let's move them up a bit shorter. This is going to be epic. Who's make Pixel do the real character? Well, he might end up in the game as this. Or not in the game, but he might, I mean, he might end up in the thing as like a character you can create or whatever. Looks like Mr. Meeseeks had a sex with a mannequin, and this is the love child. I'm Mr. Brawlstar, look at me! He wears belt instead of underpants. He's so proud of it that he even sleeps with it. I want to know why Rick hasn't made a Ms. Meeseeks. He's just smartly household problem. Well, the thing is, the Meeseeks are just their own, like, race, aren't they? I don't know if they have, like, a male and a female. Okay, so we need to give some animations to this guy now. They're asexual. Just like Todd from BoJack. Test walk. Oh no, wait. We should do test idle really first. Test idle. Do. Oh, what am I doing? Let's try this again. Left leg. Do. What's everyone been playing lately? Spangold, what have you been playing lately, my friend? I've been playing a whole bunch of XCOM 2 lately. That game is a lot of fun. And I was smashing my keyboard and I think I hit Alt-W. However, sure, close all tabs. Oh no, Ender! Sweet, I've been mostly just everybody's golf. Ah! How is that? I used to enjoy the Hot Shots golf games in general, but I haven't played any of them in a while. Oh no! I wasn't recording any of those changes I just made. Oh well, I guess we'll just do this again. You know, it was the Kishore? That's okay. It's my own fault for being stupid. I didn't have this little record button marked when I was making my changes to all the various body pieces, so that means I have to do them all again. Because it just saves them as the default position, rather than it should be. That's okay. I think the lower body should be the center point, so then I can make his upper body like lean forward. Yeah. So this is why we're doing a test of this, to sort all these things out. Sprite editor, so then the upper body should be down about here-ish. Okay. Which you would make it more obvious that you're recording an animation instead of a small red dot that many might not notice. See, it's changed how they do it. Like, it used to be like when you switched to an animation, it was straight away you were recording, whereas now you have to actively press it. So that's the problem I always have. So see, we switched to it, and now we have to press record to actually do any of the changes we do. But that's okay. What are we listening to now? This is a Mega Man 10? We're going to switch soundtracks to... Let's see. Soundtrack will we go for? This is the Sonic Mania soundtrack. It's a good soundtrack. The song is amazing. You gonna watch some YouTube, Ender? Cool. They released the game on Android? No, not anything available, Purus. I think I can talk about it anyway. Forward a little bit with this guy. Left arm. Looks like he lost something. Got a Lego head. We should put a little dot coming out the top of it. There we go, look at him. He's idle. So we got one little simple idle animation in. That'll be enough just to like test him out. So let's give him some actual scripts to move him around. So, not art, there we go. Script. I created a script called Script. That was sensible, wasn't it? What I meant to do was create a folder called Scripts. There we go. Scripts without a T. Private, rigid body, 2D, PRB, and we'll get that component straight away. So we'll get that rigid body so we know we can move around. Get component Snitty. What is up, Snitty? Get component rigid body 2D. Any other cool games you've been playing, Smangled, or looking forward to? Or anybody else for that matter too? Public float, move, speed, public, transform, left point, public, transform, right point. DRB. Let's give him a wander time. So public, float, move, length. Public float, weight, length. Private float, move, counter. Private float, weight, counter. really excited for GT Sport, but it seems like it's online only. So I cancelled my pre-order. Oh, really? That's crazy. I didn't realize it was online only. That's kind of annoying. I have no interest in playing a Gran Turismo game that's online only. Maybe that's why no one's talking about it. It's crazy. Online. I've never played any online in the previous Gran Turismo games. That's not what I want out of a Gran Turismo. But I guess we'll see what happens with that then. Move counter equals move length. So we'll say here, if move length is greater than 0, move length minus equals time.delta time. If move length is less than or equal to 0, then weight counter equals weight length so that's all the stuff to make movement time count down and check if switch to weighting. But otherwise we'll say the rigid body dot velocity equals move speed. Private float active move speed, just in case we want to make adjustments to it on the fly. So active move speed, rigid body dot velocity equals active move speed. And straight away at the start, active move speed equals move speed. Why is this? Oh wait, yeah. Rigid body dot velocity equals a new vector 2 move speed and whatever its current y velocity is. I just keep playing the Codemasters F1 games until 7 comes out. They're brilliant. I haven't played any of them recently at all. I didn't get this year's one. I do want to play it though. And I still haven't played Persona 5. Ah, my life. Oh god. Sonic Mania was really good though. So then if weight counter is greater than 0, oh this should be move counter, not move length. If move counter is greater than 0, make wait time counts down and check if switch to moving. Adulting is hard, you'll get around to it. I know. I want to play it before the end of the year though. When everyone starts talking about best games of the year and people are openly talking about it, and I'm like, I don't want to hear people spoiling all the story. God damn it. So weight counter minus equals time.delta time. If our weight counter is less than or equal to 0, then move counter equals move length. Change direction if at ring post. If transform dot position dot x is greater than right post dot position dot x, then active move speed equals minus move speed. Oh, not move left, minus move speed. if transform.position.x is less than left post.position.x, then active move speed equals move speed. No, goddammit. Move speed. There we go. You're off, Lack of Wars. Thank you for hanging around, Dudo. Always good to have you here. You're going to sleep too, Kishore? Well, thank you for being here. Also, my friend, Old Rod. What is up? What is up, Old Rod? Welcome back, my friend. How are you doing tonight? / today / this morning, wherever you are in the world. Flippo. If I listen to psychology and start living by myself, there's certain time periods where I can go and buy a game. Where I can go and buy and play all the games I missed. Positive is that I can buy most of those games at a nice discount. Indeed. Negative is choosing the game that I really want to play and finish it in the little time I have before I have to go do stuff again. What do you mean? Oh. That should be active move speed here. And we should set, when we're not moving, to be rigidbody.velocity equals new vector 2 and 0 and whatever its current y velocity is. So we're always moving down when we should be. I just realised Unity wasn't full screen. That's kind of annoying. I spent 5 hours mowing my dad's yard in the hot sun. I'm ready to crash for a while. Indeed, I'd say so. Move speed, let's give him a move speed of 5. He'll move for like 10 seconds and wait length for 3 seconds. Post points. Right post points. I've fallen over. Okay. Move speed is definitely too fast. Constraints. Use rotation. Why isn't he... Oh. Animator. Set his default state. There we go. If active move speed is greater than 0, actually we'll flip the character a different way. Private void flip. So we need to make our character flip around when he hits a wall or whatever. So private void flip. If transform dot local scale dot x is greater than 0, then transform dot local scale equals a new vector tree -1 1 1, and we'll do the exact same but the other way around then. It's less than 0, and we want to make ourselves positive. So whenever we turn around at the ring post, we want to call flip. Although I suppose I could just explicitly set it at the ring post because we know we're changing direction. I'll leave the flip function in there for now, but so if we want to start moving right, then we want to face right, and if we want to keep moving left, or other way around. So we go walkie 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 over to here. Boom, turn around, we go walkie 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 back. Stop for a minute at some point. Just multiply by -1. But you can't. I don't want to multiply all the values by -1. You know what I mean? It doesn't really matter too much. It's pretty straightforward bit there. Not really, Java. 5-bit animator anim equals get component animator. Anim.set float speed to be active move speed. No, the rigid body velocity. drb.velocity.x. So in the animator we're going to add float for speed. If speed is greater than 0.1, then go to this animation. So basically if we're moving, make it look like we're moving. And if we're not moving, so our speed is less than 0.1. Means that this should be matf.abs. Steel Dev with them bits, them sweet bits. Thank you for the bits, Steel. Thumbs up to you, my friend. Haven't done them dank pitties in a while. Okay, let's give him a little walk animation then. Oh, one other thing I was going to do is randomize how long he walks for. So move counter, instead of being equal to move length, will be equal to matf dot oh wait, no, not matf, random dot range between move length multiplied by 1.5 and move length multiplied by 0.5. Same there. Same here, except this should be Dang biddies. Thank you for the biddies, my friend. We'll make them do something in the game at some point as well. And hopefully at some point we'll have like maybe like special events with like climbing a ladder and things like that. I don't know. That'd be fun. There we go. He should be walking in this animation. And once he stops, there we go. He moves into the idle position. But you should have a bit of a smooth transition on that actually. 0.2, say. That. You also first make a working prototype before making tutorial, James? Yes, it depends on the tutorial Java. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Will the game be a Twitch interactable game? If so, will there be a Games plus James championship belt? There sure will be, Patrick. That's the plan. It's embarrassing. No, it's not. Why is my frames dropping all of a sudden? What the hell? Internet was fine the whole time we've been streaming, except for right now. Okay, oh yeah, walk animation for this guy. Stream buffer for like 3 seconds, but it's fine. Hopefully it catches up. More James is never bad, indeed. You're getting there, Java. We did it! Nice. Looking good, Javo. Thanks everybody for hanging out today. We're doing good. Doing good having cool people in chat as always. Okay, animations. Ugh. The worst. I'm gonna need to have an animation reference over here. Animation, walk, cycle. Just for everybody's reference, I'm just using this image here to be able to work out our walking in the game. Because walking is never as much fun as you might think. Okay, so start with the legs. Right leg, rotate. You like Snitsky? Oops, don't rotate forward. Can I split up the legs in upper and lower? I did. I sure did, Java. Leg goes out. Their leg goes, oops, down a bit, foot up a bit, that a bit. Doing all this in Unity might actually be better than the Bones anima thing I did. Oh yeah? Seems a bit easier if you have proper references. Yeah, that's the thing. References, always important in any kind of art related thing. When you're drawing anything, when you're animating anything. References at the wazoo. So we're on the higher, contact, recoil, passing. High points, which is, oh shoot. When we get to here, when we're up here, the body should be higher. Here, slow, and then here's high. I knew I was doing something kind of wrong. What is the stream game? A stream game is a game that we can interact with using the chat on the stream. Sound Sonic? Yeah, we're listening to Sonic music at the moment. How did you copy that animation states? Control and D? Oh, just like highlight it, Control and C to copy it, and then move in the timeline to wherever you want to put it, and then Control and V. So, Control and C there, Control and V. There we go. We got all the keyframes in place. That's fine. That's fine. I love interacting with things and stuff. So where are we at here? We're at passing, and we're at new high point. Yeah. Two peas. Two peas in the pod. Hard to make those legs move like legs in Unity. Manic, it's only as hard as you make it. It's all practice. Point, and then we're at contact again. Okay. So you see his leg kind of animation there. Whee, walking along. On the foot. Plop, plop, plop. Okay, then let's do his left leg. So, left leg. Right leg. Ooh. Usually you can rig the bodies with known animations, indeed, and it's super handy. So basically how this is all going to work is that like we have all these individual pieces on this body, so to have like different characters in the game, all we do is swap out the sprite that we're using. Pretty handy dandy. So we're at high point, contact. Copy this now. Walkie, 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 walk. Look at me walk. Very steady with my arms. What up, Beardless Dev? How are you getting on, my friend? How did your stream go? Hopefully well and fantastic. Is this the first Twitch thing you've done? It sure is, Beardy. I say Beardy when there's no Beardy. You like cookies, Fox? Nice. Nice. Yeah, this is the first thing we're doing. I'm just setting up some animations here now. Let's get his arms moving. So we got all his walking done. So let's get his arms going the way he should. So right arm. Let's start with this guy. Should be forward. Up. Right arm. Move this way a little bit. And then right arm back to here. Maybe pan out a bit. Right arm down to about here. Zodis! Thank you for the follow, my friend. Good to have you here with us, hanging out and being awesome today. Like that. And then like this. Oops. Then that. Then do 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 do. Stream went pretty well apart from the last 2 hours when I had to decipher my old code. Oh no, that's the worst. Comments are important. First part is I've made it open source, so we have to clean it up, which is what I'm doing now. Yeah, it's the worst, dude. You can check Fire Pro Wrestling sprites for some grappling moves. Oh yeah, Java, I don't know how many grappling things we're going to add into the game eventually, but we'll find out. How you finding stuff so far? So you're using Twitch Lib? Yeah, it's going grand so far. I'm happy enough with what we're doing. Like the only Twitch integration we've done so far was literally just sending a message to chat saying that FriendoBot is alive. Suplex City! Can't wait for Monday. Oh, yeah, Java, so you can watch No Mercy. I'll probably watch it the day after as well. I'm not going to stay up till late at night to watch it. Oh no, I'm busy on Monday, so I probably won't watch it on Monday. I'll watch it on like Tuesday or something. Okay, so we need to do the left arm, and then we'll be all done. So, left arm is harder to see, obviously. So actually, just so we can see the left arm, I'm going to disable all these other bits while we work on it. So, left arm should start out rotated backwards, elbow pad and arm down like this. Go grab some sustenance. How long are you going to be streaming for? Probably not too much crazily longer, Smangold. So if you're not back before I wrap up the stream, thanks for hanging out, dude. Thanks for stopping by, and also, you are super cool, super awesome. Thanks for the 2 months in a row of Subtastic goodness. I really wish we were like properly partners rather than affiliated, so then you would get like a shiny cool little icon in chat for being a 2-month subscriber. If you need help with it, I can try. Otherwise, Lucky Number 7 actually contributes to it. So is the pro. Yeah, I know he is the man with the knowledge. What again going to do? We're going to have little dudes walking around in the ring that represent people chatting, and we'll do cool things like have them fight and things like that. But one step at a time, we need to get there first. Okay, so arm up a bit more, forward, and then go to down like this, and lower it out, and then, oop, oh that would be right anyway, but forward a bit, elbow pad up, lower arm up, then whole arm up, elbow pad tighten a bit, lower arm tighten a good bit, then back to here, lower arm here too. Oh, I missed a step. What did I miss? Recoil. Passing. High points. No. it there. And then we'll swing our arm back here. Okay. I didn't mess up too much, just a little tiny smudge. Okay, let's turn these back on. Body render on. Play this animation. Look at me go! Ha 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 ha! Walking with purpose. Let's check it out in the game, shall we? Okay, snaps to that animation a bit too quick, but the idea is there. We're getting there. Why does he just snap there? That's weird. I was using offset, wrong thing. That's why it was being all weird. So I actually want that to be faster. Let's take your stream game and make a proper MMO wrestling game. I feel like that'll be a little bit more work than what I actually want to do on this stuff. Hey! Look at this dude walking around. So next thing to do will be to duplicate these guys for different people in chat. So he'll need like a little thing above his head saying his name as well. Let's pop that in. UI text. This will be a world space. Gigantic text. Call this guy Games plus James for now. Center the text. Outline. Be able to read it okay. Go get some sleep, Supra. Enjoy your sleep, my friend. Still a little nervous with streams and films. It's awesome. Yes, indeed. You get used to it over time, indeed. You get better and better as you do more. You always start off streaming as like super awkward. You know what I mean? Or at least most people do. But then you get better and better at it as time goes on. So we've got little dude walking around. What happens if I duplicate him? Let's see how this looks. Move speed, let's set him at -2. That didn't work. We'll stick him at 2, I guess. How will the game work? Will there be like chat commands to do stuff? Yes, that's the plan, Patrick. Ideally, at some point in the future, there will be some kind of what do you call it? Extensions integration, so you could just click buttons on your own screen. You wouldn't have to fill up chat with stuff. This is where you're meant to be, but if you want to get better at it now, this is where you're meant to be, but if you want to get better at it now, you can check out my Udemy course on Streaming 101. Exactly, Beard. I should start a stream like that. Hey little dudes! Oh no! We're all bunching up! Because I was supposed to make them not interact with each other. Project settings, physics 2D. Brawler doesn't interact with Brawler. There we go. So now they start stopping at different times and start moving at different times. So they're all like wandering around. But look, the canvas gets flipped around as well. That's funny. Okay, I can fix that. That's easy to fix. Let's save this and there. Public transform the body. Around, we say the body dot local scale. It's the body. Oh, I didn't assign. These other ones for the moment, and then we say test body is the body. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's copy a few more in again. Turn off the belts on all the rest of them. You only have one champ at a time. Hoo-ha, hoo-ha, hoo-ha. This is gonna be fun, having these little dudes wandering around. Get the Patrick RMC DLC free for only $9.99. Should use my experience in having in acting. I used to play in small plays, so I was not like I'm afraid to speak. That's good. That's good, Flippo. Using that experience. You can sidetrack because people on my Discord are roasting each other and it's funny. I really still. I think that's streaming. You get there, and then you can be changed to a Udemy course on Streaming 101. Indeed. Look at these little duders running around the place. So just as a test, let's build this. Brawl Stars version 0.1. Builds. What we're going to do now is give this its own window. Can we do game capture? Will that work? Brawl Stars. Capture a specific window. Okay, there we go. So it's popping up in the corner there. I need to make this there's an app that can be run. It'll keep running when it's not active, which isn't hard to do, which is I didn't change that setting. So I need to add a filter to this. Color key. Custom color, select color, pick screen color, that one. So now I'll pop this just down here for the time being. And if I move this off screen, I can't see it myself if I do this. There you go, you see we get our little dudes wandering around in the corner then. I definitely need to make them, I think, a lot smaller. So I just move this over here so I can see. It's taking up too much screen space down there, I think. So I'll make them smaller and longer. The whole ring thing will be longer. Yeah. But overall, that's working. Look at those little dudes. Now we just need to set it up so that we can spawn people based off who's in chat and who's talking. That's the next step. Chroma key, indeed, color key. So a trick to get floating text to look good above there in a 3D game. My nose looks fuzzy. I tried putting the outline around it and that seems to make it worse. Nope, I don't know, Old Rod. Unity UI is like the worst. Scale it down, scale the canvas down really small is what I would say, and then make the text big, so it'll look crisper if you do that. It's a Games vs James clone army indeed. Look at those little dudes walking around. Don't they look like they're having fun? So what I'll also do, so you can see my mouse is here on this screen, but here right now it's hovering over the thing over there, so obviously I need to turn that off. But also what I would probably do is add buttons at the top of the game. So I'll just drag it back in here for a second. I'll add buttons up here that I can interact with, so that like I can click on activating thing, and then what I'll just like cut them off the screen down here, so you won't see them, but then I can do cool things and make cool things happen down here. And won't that be fun? So yeah, I think overall we've made some good progress here on this little fun little thing. So like I said, the next thing to do will be to get it to read people talking in chat, and then we'll start giving them different like outfits and things like that to wear, which is all going to be fun. Look at them dudes go. Okay, cool. I am happy with all this. think we're going to wrap up the stream here for tonight. I want to say thanks to everybody who's been hanging around. We're going to find someone to go and host. And for that, it's Giant James. Will it be like the WWE though, where matches are decided before they begin? I mean, kind of bearded, because it'll be like it'll be based on donations and things like that, and subscribes and all that fun stuff. Let's see who is live right now. Guess I have the wrapping paper. Patrick, there will indeed be a way to customize your stuff. That's the plan. Crass, thanks for dropping by, my friend. I'm going to check out the new update of Nightfall probably in a little while. Who's live? I'm live. Who else is live? Tober Prime. Working on Savage, the Shard of Gosen, which is a really cool looking game. We're going to drop him a host, because he's a cool guy in general. When you go into Tober Prime's chat, when I host them, copy that raid message from /me onwards, paste it in, and we're going to invade his channel and have a good old time. Here's the link to Tober's channel. I'm going to say, once again, everybody, thank you for hanging out. Thanks for being awesome. Thanks for being cool. Thanks for being a bunch of awesome people in general. And just thanks for being super duper cool. I'm going to see you all probably on Wednesday. I will be streaming again, and we'll be back working on cool Portanauts action. And then at some point we'll do more of this game too. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being cool.